Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another festive series haul. So before that, if you're watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. In case अभी तक आपने मेरा festive series haul part 1 और 2 नहीं देखा तो मैं आई कार्ड में लिंक दे दूँगी, आप जा कर के देख सकते हो. मैंने उसमें बहुत ही डिसेंट और सोबर कलर के कुर्ता सेट्स दिखाए हैं एट एन अफोर्डेबल रेंज. आज का जो कुर्ता सेट्स है ये मैंने मिंत्रा से लिया है एंड दिस इज़ मोर ऑफ वाइब्रेंट एंड ब्राइट कलर्स, तो आई होप यू लाइक इट. इस वीडियो में मैंने जितने भी ज्वेलरी हो या फुटवेयर हो, कुछ भी जो भी वेयर किया है, सारे प्रोडक्ट के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. सो विदाउट एनी मोर ब्लैबरिंग, लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. For my first look, I am wearing this beautiful multicolor lehenga set from the brand Ux, and the best part is this lehenga set comes up with a pink organza jacket which adds so much of brightness to it. The lehenga is already bright and multicolor, so I have not overdone anything, just added a pair of golden chanbalis and you are good to go for any dandiya night or Diwali party. For my second look, I am wearing this black kurta set from the brand Anuk and have just added pair of golden drop earrings to it because there is anyway golden going on in the outfit as well. This outfit is best for black lovers out there. So for my next look, I am wearing this golden sequins work kurta set from the brand Aurelia. This comes up with asymmetric hem which gives you that chic and classy look. To match the sequins work of the outfit, I have just added pair of layer golden jhumkas to it. This turned out to be so good. This look is best for Diwali night. So for my next look, I am wearing this high slit kurta and palazzo set from the brand Vishut. This high slit kurta gives you that modern and chic look. Just layer it with some oxidized jewelry and a pair of heels just to add extra inches to your outfit and you are good to go. For my last look, I am wearing this dark brown kurta trouser set from the brand Indus. This look is best for small puja or family get together. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. तो मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye, be home, be safe, bye bye.